Okay then guys, we start this Monday update. What's it now? 4th of March, cool. In the greenhouse in the Virtopod, chillies doing well, keeping a close eye on these for aphid infestation. Okay so far. I give them a spray with SB plant invigorator now and again. Not just for the pesticide side of it, but it's also got a little bit of feed in there as well, foliar feed. Right, in the smaller one of the germy, this is a germy medium size. We've got, where is it, ears? We've got one aubergine. Just poked his own nose through, that wasn't there yesterday, so fingers crossed a few more will be coming up. Number 28 is the my second sowing of paprika over that side. Nothing there just yet. Okay, let's get this lid back on and get into the greenhouse. Okay then, things have moved around a bit since last time. I've brought the Spider Farmer SF1000 into the greenhouse and brought the chillies down as well. Sold a few of these. Now I told you in one video I might be pruning these, but I'm not going to bother. They're side shooting on their own, look, there's no need to. What else we got? Spuds, they're chitting away nicely. The leeks in the polystyrene pasty box, they're doing okay. Mammoth onions, those 5 there, they'll do some up. What are these? They're Welsh onions, number 31. The other 2 leeks at the back from Heritage Seed Library. The Zebrun shallots, they're doing very well. The other onions are doing okay under the SF600 and sat on the SF600. And, well, spinach have germinated. So that's surprising that, because I had very poor germination from them last year. That's the orange balm cuttings I took. No roots on those just yet. Upper level, enjoying the warmth of the SF600. We've got some germination on the sweet peas. Fantastic. That's in the larger size germy trainer. Oh, brilliant. Chuffed to bits with that. And that's the other mammoth onions over there. Nothing from the Boratana onions still, so they must have had duff seeds again. Moving down over here a bit. Sweet peppers, they're doing very well. They've been pricked out and potted on, they're doing okay. There's the other chillies there, and like I was saying, they've got enough side shoots coming already. There's no need to prune those or top them or thin them. I shan't say what that means, you have to Google that one. Cape gooseberries, nothing, and nothing from the Cape gooseberries indoors either at the moment. There's the multi-sown Fletcher's onions. And 41, me looking at my sheet, that's 41? What am I talking about? Yeah. That's the rest of the sweet peas. Yeah, miles away. Yeah, that's the rest of the sweet peas that I've done in the normal trainer. So yeah, they're doing alright. More chillies, more peppers. There's more onions over there. Still nothing from the ginger, but I did, I had a fertile round on the, let's do it again now, shall we? Let's have a look. The little elephants, rhinoceros horns, there we are, look, they're swelling up nicely. In fact, I'm going to turn that one round now and leave them that way up. Cover them up again. And, ooh, nothing yet from the first 2 lots of tomatoes on the left there. And the matador shallots. Doing alright. I'll just check. Yeah, that's a little bit of warmth in that. What are we on? 18 degrees, yeah, that's okay. Spider Farmer one. Well, that's it for today, guys. There is no upstairs because everything's down here. So I'm just going to turn these around a bit because they tend to, you can't really see it, but they're leaning towards the light a little bit. So I'll just turn them around now and again. And that's it for today. Go get the front garden now and get some onions and shallots planted. Catch you next week, guys. Take care.